English language not only serves as the language for economics, but also plays a vital role in technology. By becoming proficient in English, our country can gain an edge in an interconnected world that fosters liberal utilization of services and resources. Thus, it is crucial for students to acquire the necessary proficiency to comprehend the abundance of easily accessible reading materials available in this language. However, it can be noted that students' competence in both written and verbal communication in English still remains at a dismal level. The primary cause of this issue lies in the students' limited mastery of the English language. The primary cause of this issue lies in the students' limited mastery of the English language. Furthermore, most of the students were found to be confused with the structure and pattern of haiku poetry, which have to be written with a syllable pattern of 575 in 3 lines. Due to the difficulty in finding suitable words within the structure and pattern of the poem, students are not interested in expressing themselves through haiku. Moreover, the usage of figurative language in poetry writing can be challenging for students because it needs to align with the theme and message to be conveyed. This is to ensure that readers do not misunderstand the poems. As for the process, students are required to use their vivid senses to create wholesome, profound, and meaningful haikus. This innovation was inspired by the students and academic lecture. The HAiKU Kit is a digital innovation developed to help students write haikus, a form of Japanese poem with restricted syllables. The design of the HAiKU Kit focuses on its interfaces at various levels and the haiku generator. This innovation has never been produced and marketed before, and as such, it's a novelty to all English language learners, and even poetry writing enthusiasts. With the onslaught of global interest in English poetry writing, and the emergence of writers like Lang Leave and Rupi Kaur, poetry writing as a form of expression is going through a renaissance, especially among teenagers and young adults. Being digitally viable without involving any cost, this remarkable product is also useful as supplementary teaching and learning tool in the classroom. In fact, the hands-on approach and proficiency-based level activities make this kit less intimidating. The HAiKU Kit embraces creative and unique elements that facilitates easy student learning. The element of VAK, as in visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, underpins the innovation, and these elements are discussed in the following section. In addition, the application of the VAK learning model in accessing this kit promotes learning by using senses. This leads to enhanced motivation and the levels of student engagement and oral presentation. The HAiKU Kit was created based on the VAK learning model by the team the HAiKUist. So, the haiku learning process in this kit is divided into 3 main parts, which are visual learning, stage 1, auditory learning, stage 2, and kinesthetic learning, stage 3. Students will explore this innovation stage by stage to think of words to create haiku by using an online haiku generator. The generator was an adapted element from the internet as a tool for generating haiku, which is grammatically and structurally accurate. It must be noted that the generator is not adapted as a main part, but as a supporting tool only. Besides that, the main idea for creating the HAiKU Kit was originally a solution for encouraging students to create haiku easily without considering the language barrier. The words they listed will be used to create 575-syllable haiku. Users are also encouraged to upload their work on Padlet to share their creative pieces and showcase the efficacy of the HAiKU Kit too. If a user can pass these 3 levels, they are considered to excel in creating their own haiku to creatively express themselves. These following are the benefits of innovation. Improve one's mastery of writing haiku poems. Create a joyful learning environment that encourages critical and creative thinking to solve problems and enhances students' intrinsic motivation. Enhance students' awareness in understanding literature and the tradition of haiku poetry in various contexts. The advantage of haiku. HAiKU Kit is free, which is there is no cost involved in this innovation as it's all digitally based. This ensures sustainability besides zero costing that makes it easily accessible if one can connect to the internet through various gadgets. And the implementation of the HAiKU Kit is easy and very people-friendly. The innovation has successfully motivated non-poetry writers to actually write their own poems without any inhibitions. This state-of-the-art product can help improve students' understanding of writing haikus based on syllable restrictions and their own choice of themes. The pre- and post-assessment indicate a clear improvement of the haikus written. The 25 students selected as respondents to test the effectiveness of this innovation have shown a significant improvement in their haiku writing ability, though a few were hesitant in the first attempt. These are a few extracts from the respondents, presented verbatim. Mira, I found the kit useful as I managed to write 3 haikus without much problem. Danielle, I love this kit because it was user-friendly. Commercial. Various measures like posters, banners, video recordings and some pictures related to this innovation were disseminated through social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and so on. A comment section is also provided on each spread so that people can give their feedback or opinions about this innovation. All of this gave strong assurance to the HAiKUists that Kit HAiKU gained the attention and trust of the public users. This HAiKU kit also has awarded the bronze medal in Malay Language Convention and Innovation Competition 2023. In summary, each level in the HAiKU kit helps all students to create haikus according to their own words in an accurate syllabus of 575. Although each user may take a different period of time to explore the haikus kit level, in the end they will excel in expressing themselves by creating haikus. Apart from tertiary students, the kit can also be used for secondary students to teach and learn English in a fun way. Furthermore, creating haiku also plays a role as a therapy to heal users emotionally, besides being a good remedy to de-stress. In short, this innovation assists students in expressing their original thoughts and ideas in the form of a free yet meaningful poetic writing. The HAiKU kit holds potential for commercialization as an instructional aid material, and stands as a best practice in mastering the creation of haiku in the English language.